Hey, good afternoon, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 127. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. It's kind of interesting with the system because they're doing some updates and such, but the bot report is about 1 day late. So this is what I made 2 days ago, 0.41%. I think I explained that in the last video. But last night we made 0.28%. Of course, it did take a little dip. But that's okay, guys. I still made, if you take all these together and you add them up, it's 58.94 is what I got. So I still made money. I didn't make as much as I did the other day. As you see, I made 86.04, but 58 dollars and 94 cents is definitely nice, especially if you're just making it on passive income. So I got that, and now getting into my investments here. Um, all time. So I have my principal that I'm trading on here, guys, which is 25,200, and this is my monthly income. This is the money I've made on that, which is $1,175.77, and I'm only going to leave it for another about 5 days, because once this reaches 28 days, I'm going to take all these, combine them, and then reinvest 600, and that'll be on Tuesday. So today is, as you can see, Friday. It'll be on Tuesday the 18th. So when that happens, yeah, this is going to grow to 25,800, because I'm going to take 600, throw it back in, and then the rest I'll have it at the top right, so I can do whatever I want with it. Take the money out. I plan on taking it out once every 2 weeks. So I have, the way I'm doing it is so that I have my job income week one, and then week two will be a S group earnings. Week three would be my job income, and then week four would be the other portion of the S group earnings. So every week I have money coming in. So that's kind of the goal here, guys. I'm gonna keep doing that for a while. So I'm excited once I get to 30,000 though, because I'll be making on average about anywhere from $90 to $110 a day. So I'm excited for that, and then I'm on a long road up to 50,000. I can't wait till I get to that. That's gonna be exciting because once I get to this, it's gonna grow even faster because I'll take like probably reinvest like $2,000 a month because I'll be making about 5 grand a month. So that's definitely coming in the, I don't know, probably about a year from now, I'm thinking. So yeah, so if you guys are really looking to join S Group, I know I've been making a lot of videos. If you just stumbled upon my channel, thank you very much for checking out my video. If you've been, watching my videos, follow me along. Don't hesitate to shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below if you have any further questions about S Group, how everything works. Um, I was just going to explain real quick here. This days past, these investments, once they get past 30 days, you basically can't combine them anymore. You have to leave them and let them expire on their own, so you won't be able to have access to the funds if they're under 31 days, because after once it reaches 31 days by itself, the funds go up here. So what I'm doing is I'm combining every 28 days, because yeah, like I said, once they reach 30 days you can't touch them, and that way I'm able to do 3 combines within 90 days. So I'm really excited for that. As you see, the 30 days expires on the 21st, it looks like it is, of April. So I'm going to do it on the 18th just to be safe. Uh, 2 days before the 30-day mark. Of course, I do have till Friday, but I'm going to do it on the 18th. So that's really great. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get out into earning some passive income like myself here, you just invest your money into the Forex market, and then you just start earning money. I can show you my finance page, what I've been earning over the last little while. So this is all the percentage, and this is all the money I've earned. So as you see, guys, it just keeps going up and up and up. Huge profits coming in, some withdrawals, some team bonuses, but it's just endless income, guys. So if you want to make this type of passive income for yourself, click on the sign up link down below, and you can sign up and join my team. Also, shoot me an email, let me know you signed up. I can answer any questions you have, help you get going, help your account get funded. And also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all my updates, see my progress, and yeah, you can basically, see how I'm doing. It's definitely been a long road if you've been following my channel for 127 videos that I've been posting here. If you check my first few videos, it's definitely been a long road. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget again to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you in the next video.